I'm Nixon Daughtrey, and I lead the Daughtrey Law Firm in Houston, Texas. We represent Texas property owners, and I want to share why that matters. If you own property in Texas, you're going to face situations where companies want something from you. Oil companies want your minerals. Tower companies want space on your land. Buyers want favorable terms on your real estate. Here's what many property owners don't realize. Every one of those companies has attorneys protecting their interests. The question is, who's protecting yours? I understand this dynamic because I spent 10 years working in the oil and gas industry before opening this law firm. I worked as a landman for companies including Chesapeake Energy, BP America, and ConocoPhillips. My work involved acquiring mineral rights and understanding how deals are structured. That experience now informs everything I do for Texas property owners. At our firm, we made a clear choice about who we represent. We only represent property owners. We do not represent operators. We do not represent tower companies. We do not represent the other party in your real estate transaction. Why did we make this choice? Because we believe you deserve advice that's focused entirely on your interests. When you work with us, there are no conflicts pulling our attention to the other side of your deal. This commitment applies to everything we do. When an oil company sends you a lease offer, we review it with an understanding of how these agreements work in practice. Our team brings combined experience that includes over 4 decades of title research, so we can identify and address mineral ownership issues. Inherited minerals from a family member? Probate involving mineral interests requires knowledge that goes beyond general estate work. Buying or selling property? We represent you, the property owner, throughout the transaction. Cell tower company contacting you about your land? Those lease agreements deserve review by someone who understands your position. We also help landowners navigate emerging areas like lithium and brine leases, where standard offers may not reflect the full value of your rights. We work with attorneys in other states who have clients with Texas property interests. They bring us in because Texas property law requires Texas-specific knowledge. Whatever brings you here today, whether it's a lease offer, a real estate transaction, inherited property, or a tower company inquiry, we're ready to discuss your situation. Give us a call. We focus on property owners, and we'd like to help you protect your interests.